हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक एवरीवन टू जेनिथ एकेडमी ऑनलाइन। आई एम शहाना और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन का पार्ट 2। पिछले पार्ट में हमने देखा था कि अगर हमें कोई भी गिवन इक्वेशन है या कोई भी गिवन स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो उसके ऊपर हमें जो पॉइंट्स लाई करें वो हम पॉइंट्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे। आज के पार्ट में हम देखेंगे कि अगर हमें कोई गिवन पॉइंट्स हैं तो उसके थ्रू हम इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन कैसे बना सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। पहले हम देखते हैं कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स की प्रॉपर्टी। कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं? कोई भी पॉइंट्स, एक या एक से ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स अगर एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन पे लाई कर रहे हैं तो वो कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहलाते हैं। पॉइंट्स दैट लाई ऑन सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन आर कॉल्ड कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। जैसे ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, लेट्स सपोज ये ए पॉइंट है, ये बी पॉइंट और ये सी पॉइंट। एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे तीन पॉइंट्स लाई कर रहे हैं तो ये तीनों ए बी सी कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स होंगे। अब कंडीशन फॉर कोलिनियरिटी ऑफ पॉइंट्स क्या है? स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू स्लोप ऑफ बी सी। ए बी स्लोप ऑफ ए बी, ये जो पोर्शन है शुड बी इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ बी सी। अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है तो ये तीनों कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहलाएंगे। ये बहुत ही इजी पॉइंट था। अब हम चलते हैं हमारे मेन टॉपिक पे जो कि है हाउ टू मेक इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। हाउ टू मेक एन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, इसका एक फर्स्ट मेथड है स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म। अब हमने पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ा था कि स्लोप कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं। स्लोप को हम डिनोट करते हैं एम से, और m को फाइंड आउट करने के हमने 2-3 तरीके देखे थे और साथ में हमने पैरेलल और परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस की प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी। आज देखते हैं स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म से इक्वेशन कैसे बनाते हैं। ये फॉर्मूला है y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल्स टू एम एक्स माइनस x1। इसमें y1 और x1 जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमको दिए हुए होंगे और m हमको पता है, हम डिनोट करते हैं स्लोप के लिए। तो जब भी हमें कोई दो पॉइंट्स दे रखे हैं x और y, और अगर हमें स्लोप पता है उस लाइन का तो उसकी इक्वेशन हम इस फॉर्मूले से निकाल सकते हैं। y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल्स टू m इंटू x माइनस x1। सो दिस फॉर्म इज यूज्ड व्हेन वी नो वन पॉइंट x1 y1 which lies on the line and also we know the slope m of the line. Let's see an illustration. Find the equation of the line passing through 0,1 and 1,2. अब इसमें हमको दो पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रखे हैं, स्लोप नहीं दे रखा है। पर हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा था कि हम स्लोप कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं अगर हमें कोई भी दो पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रखे हो। उसका फॉर्मूला था y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1। उसी फॉर्मूले से हम m पता कर सकते हैं। तो m क्या होगा? m विल बी इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1। यहाँ पे हम मार्क कर लेते हैं। लेट्स सपोज दिस इज x1 और दिस इज y1, दिस इज x2 एंड दिस इज y2। सो इसको इक्वेशन में अगर पुट करेंगे तो y2 इज 2 माइनस y1 इज 1, सो 2 माइनस 1 अपॉन x2 इज 1 minus x1 which is 0 will give us 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 upon 1 which will give us the slope is equals to 1, that is m equal to 1. Now we know m, we know we can take any of the coordinates, any of the points coordinates. So x1 and y1 we also know. So let's see how can we make the equation of that line. Y minus y1, here we have taken as 1, equal to slope was 1, x minus x1, here it is 0. So our equation of line will be y minus 1 is equals to 1 will be multiplied with the bracket, so it will give the same answer. So x minus 0 will give us x. So this will be y minus 1 equal to x or if we shift x here, we'll get y minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. This will be our equation of line. So moving on to our next concept, x-intercept and y-intercept. So before learning what is our next method, we first need to understand what is x-intercept and what is y-intercept. Now here we have a diagram, x-axis and y-axis, and a straight line is drawn here. Distance from origin to the point of intersection of line with x-axis. This distance is called x-intercept. Y-intercept is distance from the origin to the point of intersection of the line with y-axis. This distance is y-intercept. Now, to make an equation of line, we have another method which is slope-intercept form. Now, how will we use x-intercept and y-intercept in forming a line, forming an equation of line? Equation of line in slope-intercept form is y equal to mx plus c. Now here y is equals to mx plus c, where m is equals to slope of line, c is equals to, this c is equal to the y-intercept of the line. Let's see some important points. Now this is our graph, x-axis and y-axis are y-axis. Two lines are drawn. One is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis and one is a vertical line parallel to y-axis. So our first point will be, for y-axis the equation will always be x equals to 0, because there is no point, if there is any line lying on y-axis, or the points which are lying on y-axis, x-axis, the x coordinate will always be 0. So for equation of y-axis will be x equals to 0. For the line x-axis, equation of x-axis will always be equal to y is equals to 0. Now when we draw any line parallel to x-axis, say suppose this is the line, so, and say this is the point 0 comma a, where x coordinate is 0, and here on y-axis this point is a. So this is, the coordinates will be 0 comma a. So our equation will be y is equals to a. This is small y. Please note, this is small y. So our equation is y is equals to a. Here our slope is 0. We have learned in a previous video that slope for any line parallel to x-axis will be 0. Now for y-axis, when any line drawn parallel to y-axis, say suppose this is point b comma 0, because it is here on x-axis, our coordinate will be b. Say suppose this point is b, so b comma 0. So our equation will be x equal to b. This is small x. Small x is equals to small b. Let's read. Equation of x-axis. This is x-axis. So this will be always y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, that is this. This will always be x equals to 0. Equation of horizontal line parallel to x-axis will be y is equals to a, when this line, the point plotted on y-axis is a. So let's suppose this will be y equal to a. Equation of vertical lines parallel to y-axis. So this line, and let's suppose we have taken that this line will be crossing the point B on x-axis. So the equation will be x is equals to b. Let's see the illustration. Find the equation of a line whose y-intercept is equals to -1 and inclination theta is equals to 45 degrees. The slope-intercept form we know is y is equals to mx plus c. We first need to find m, which we know is the slope. M is equals to tan theta. m will be equal to, थीटा की वैल्यू दे रखी है हमको 45 डिग्रीज. So tan 45 degrees we know is equal to 1. Now slope, this means is equals to m is equals to 1. Y intercept is equals to minus 1. Y intercept we know is equal to c. So this is actually given to us as minus 1. So let's put this in our equation. Y equal to n is 1 into x plus, this is minus 1. Let's put this in the bracket. So y is equals to x minus 1, or x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Let's see another example. The figure given below shows two straight lines AB and CD. This is AB and this is CD, and they are intersecting each other at point P whose coordinates are 3, 4. Find the equations of these two lines. We need to find the equation AB and CD. Now here AB is making an angle of 45 degrees with x-axis. CD is making an angle of 60 degree with x-axis. Now we know if the line makes an angle with the x-axis, it is always said to be the inclination. So we can find slope with it. Now we know y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. We need to find m and y1 and x1. These are the coordinates of a point, any point lying on a line. We can take any point lying on a line. So here for m, the inclination we know is 60 degrees for CD. So for CD, m is equals to tan theta. So tan theta is equals to tan 60 degrees, which is equals to root 3. Now for AB, m is equals to tan theta, and here the inclination or theta is 45 degrees. AB is making an angle of 45 degree with x-axis. So tan 45 degrees we know is equal to 1. Now m we know for both the lines. So it's easy now. Since these both lines are intersecting at point P 3, 4, this means P is lying on AB as well as CD. So we can use the coordinates of this point. Now equation of AB will be y minus y1, that is here it is 4, will be equal to m. For AB, m is 1, x minus x1 is 3. So equation of AB will be y minus 4 is equals to x minus 3, or this can be written as shifting y and 4 on that side, we'll get x minus y minus 3 plus 4 will give us plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line AB. For equation of line CD, y minus 4 is equals to root 3 into x minus 3, because coordinates are same. Y minus 4 is equals to root 3x minus, this will be 3 root 3. So Shifting y minus 4 on the other side, we'll get root 3x minus y
plus 4
minus 3 root 3. So our equation will be is equal to 0. So our equation will be
root 3x minus y plus 4 minus 3 root 3 is equal to 0.
Is the equation of CD. So this is how we form an equation of line whenever we have been given a point, or when we are given the angle of inclination, we can find the slope. So with the slope and any point given on the line, we can find the equation of a line. So this was all for today's session. Please watch both the parts thoroughly. You can score full marks in this topic. And if you have any doubts, please leave your doubts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Thank you.